this is one of my favorite functions. The function is called upper and lower. They're two separate functions. And the reason I love them is because I used to work with this guy who typed everything in capitals, right? And I had to go in and just correct it because it always sounded like when I read the documents, like he was screaming at me because everything was in capital letters. So when I discovered this formula, it just made it so easy to clean the data. So let me show you what it does. If I come in here, you'll notice that from here, it's capital first letter. Let's zoom in actually, right? You got capital first letter, lowercase, 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 and so on, uppercase, lowercase, 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 uppercase, lowercase, and so on. There's a function that can actually convert this to all uppercase. So let me show you how that works. Let's use, for this example, let's use category. All right, so I go category, create, calculated field. Let's do upper, right? Which converts everything to an uppercase. Let's call it category upper. And we'll go straight ahead and do the lower equivalent. So create, calculated field, category, lower, like so. And that didn't work. Oh, sorry, we can't call it the same thing. Lower, okay. And let's go into our information and we should have two different sets. Okay, here we go. Now what you can see, the lower function converted everything to lowercase, right? And the uppercase converted everything to uppercase. And this works no matter what combinations you have in here, okay? So if I do an example, because Excel also has an equivalent function for this. So if I type in Australia, right, but I type it like this, Ustralia, okay? So if I do upper, it can still convert it. If I go lower, it can still convert it, no matter what is already in here. The only thing missing in Tableau is that it doesn't have the proper function. And the proper makes it a capital in the first character, and then everything else is lowercase. And the cool thing about the proper function is even if I have two words, it does it to every single word, right? I wish Tableau had this. If you're a Tableau developer, please put this into your program because it is the best, all right? And that's all the upper and lower functions do. I hope you enjoyed and see you at the next video.